Hi, welcome to the eGen Solutions YouTube channel and welcome to my office. Today I'm going to show you how to add a link to your Instagram stories. But before we get going, I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers. I hope this information is helpful. And if you're new, welcome. We enjoy having newcomers and we always enjoy comments. If this video helps you, a like would help us as well. Let's get going to the video. Okay, so first of all, we had to create, of course, an image to upload to Instagram stories. That image right there was created in Canva, and it was using one of the many templates that are available to you. Now, we do have the pro version. You can do this for free if you want to just use the free version. But if you would like to try the Canva for 30 days, the pro version of Canva for 30 days, you can do so with the link below. In the meantime, my intention for creating this was, of course, to introduce the podcast, but then create a link that would take them from the Instagram story right to the YouTube video. And this is how we did it. Okay, so to add a link to your Instagram story, you of course have to create an Instagram story. We're going to easily do that with that Canva image that we created. We're going to come into our account, select our profile picture to start that Instagram story process. We're going to upload the image that we created. And you can see it here, fits nicely. At the very top, we have 4 options: the tagging, the AA, which is your fonts or typing, the sticker, and the effects. We're going to select the third one over, which is the sticker, and scroll down to where you see the link sticker. How easy is that? Now, because I already copied the link, which was the YouTube video that I wanted to showcase for this interview, I simply need to put that in to the URL section. And then I'm going to add in my little teaser, which is watch on YouTube, because I want to keep it pretty short. I'm going to click done, and there you go. Now this link here, when that sticker is tapped, is going to take the user right to the YouTube channel. Now I can go ahead and add another sticker, such as click here. I think there's going to be a good one here. We'll see. Yeah, I like that one. So we can kind of add a little bit more motion to it. And then I'm going to tag Glodine in this as well. But this is how our Instagram story is going to look when we're finished. What do you think? Pretty good? Hope this works for you and your business. And just to show you how that turned out, I'm going to go look at my Instagram story. You can see it here, and I'm actually going to click it. It's going to show the link that people are visiting, and it will take us right to the eGen Solutions podcast on YouTube. So there you go. It's a really great way to share your blog posts, share your videos, your podcasts, products, anything else. Good luck.